Your Honor, yung pong ghost project na yan, talaga pong wala po akong alam sa ghost project na yan, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of Senator J.B.
Senator Erwin Tulfas recognized.
Mr. Chair, can we ask this person to show cause, order a show cause order for him today bago natin i-cite for contempt? Last week pa ito, dalawang hearing na itong nagsisinungaling. Sa mga taong sa baba, lahat may kasalanan, ikaw wala. District engineer ka, hindi mo alam na may ghost project, wala ka ring alam, lumobo yung budget mo. Hindi ba dumadaan sa lamesa mo yan na lumaki yung pondo mo? Mr. Chair, I think this person is lying, so we have to ask him to show cause why he should not be cited for contempt today.
Please respond, Mr. Alcantara.
Your Honor, kami naman po, pag lumalabas po sa GAA, ini-implement lang po namin yung project, Your Honor. At hindi po namin alam kung saan po ng ano yan, Your Honor. Actually po, yung sinasabi ko po sa Ghost Project, talaga pong wala akong alam dyan. At magpapatunay naman po, itong project engineer na nandito po sa tabi ko, kung paano po nangyari yan. Yung pong sinasabi ng project engineer na Paul Duya, ay kasama po nila yan, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, unacceptable. Therefore, I will move, Mr. Chair, that we cite this person in contempt for lying before this committee, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to cite in contempt of the committee, Engineer Henry Alcantara. Any objection? Hearing none, you are cited for